How will you use the Gene2Info Dry Blood Spot Transfer Kit? The Dry Blood Spot Transfer Kit consists of the patient information section, the blood collection instructions, the blood collection section, and the patient and physician signature consent form. Fill in the information section of the card. Each kit is specific to a patient and is tracked by a unique reference number. Read the instructions in the kit before you collect the blood sample and follow the instructions to collect the blood sample. Inject the blood sample taken from the patient with a syringe or micropipette into the circles on the card without spilling over the edges. Read the patient information and informed consent form and complete the required fields. Give the form to the patient to sign in the appropriate places. Sign and stamp the form as the doctor. Obtain a witness signature. If the signatures on the patient information and consent form are missing, the blood sample will not be processed. Turn off the card after 3 hours. Place the Dry Blood Spot Transfer Kit with the humectant packet in the clear pouch. Place the Dry Blood Spot Transfer Kit with the blood samples in the clear pouch in the kit envelope and close the envelope. Place the recipient information on the envelope. Include your contact details as the sender. Make a collection request by calling the telephone number on the kit or by going to portal.gene2info.com or by using the mobile application. Log in with your Gene2Info user information. You can make a kit pickup notification in the Create Test section. Enter the reference number on the Blood Spot Transfer Kit. The tests you can request are listed according to the reference number you have entered. Clicking on the plus button will take you to the patient information screen. Complete your test request by entering the required information. The courier will be directed to your address as soon as it is possible to collect the kit. Keep the kit at room temperature until it is delivered to your courier. You can track the status of your test request via portal.gene2info.com or the Gene2Info mobile application. The result report will be automatically uploaded to the system, and you'll be notified by email. If you have any questions, you can get support by calling 90-212-705-7799.